Good morning, everybody. For those who have joined this help session, you can post questions that you may have had while you were working on these spoken tutorials that you had to work at home. Please post your questions on the chat box. But if this is something that is related to the spoken tutorials, I urge you to please post it on the forums. Someone else who has the same question can also benefit, and we wouldn't have to repeat it for them. Divyesh, if you're online, I think we have a few questions on how to access code files. So, can you please help them out?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah,
Uh,
hi Divyesh, good morning.
Hi, ma'am. Good morning. So regarding these code files, what you can do is you can open the spoken tutorial website on your virtual machine. Do you want me to share my screen, Shweta ma'am?
Sure, you can do that.
Okay, okay.
Do you want me to stop sharing then?
I think you'll have to.
Okay.
Yeah. So in your Ubuntu machine, Flasio, are you online?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So as I was saying, you can open just any browser. For example, pre-installed is Firefox. So inside your Ubuntu machine, just open this Firefox browser. Then just type spoken hyphen tutorial.org. That will open this website. From this all courses and all languages, just check that you are using OpenFOAM 7. This one, OpenFOAM 7 with 11 tutorials. And from language, select English and just search it. Now all the tutorials are available. You already have all these tutorials offline. Uh, from here, click on the uh, any tutorial which has code file, whichever tutorial asking for code files, just click on the tutorial, and here you will see this code files. On that, just click, and it will ask you to download, and here save the file and click OK. That will automatically save file in your downloads folder. How to go into the downloads folder? From here you will see this files icon. Just click on that, and here there is one downloads folder available. If you'll go into that folder, this zip file with creating 2D channel geometry, whichever uh, tutorial you are using, you are working on, it will give that tutorial's name as a zip file. Open it, and there you will see this text file. Under that text file, you can see the uh, code file that we are asking to copy and paste. Is that clear, Flasio?
Yes. Do we need to unzip it here in Ubuntu or directly it will open?
Yeah, it's better to download it from Ubuntu instead of going into that Windows system and copying. That procedure is quite complex, copying files and everything. So you can do this way.
Divyesh,
Oh, yes.
is it possible to access the Windows drives while using this Ubuntu in VM?
Uh, in VM, no, you can't access the code files. Sorry, any file from the Windows to that virtual machine. But yeah, if you have enabled the bi-directional copying in your virtual machine, okay, let me just show that. So if you'll open your virtual machine, uh, you want to copy some text from your Windows to your Ubuntu. So in that case, what you can do is when you open your virtual machine, go to the settings, then in the general, there is one advanced tab, and here shared clipboard, just click on that and select the bi-directional copy.
Divyesh, I think that is enabled here. I did it, but still it's not working. Actually, I have enabled bidirectional both for shared clipboard and drag and drop.
All right.
But still it's not working somehow. Anyway, I can now save the file in the Ubuntu and access it directly.
Yeah, that's the best way to work on those.
Okay. Thank you.
Good morning, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I want to share my screen because the paraform is not working when it is given. It is commented to me, paraview is not found.
Okay.
So can I share?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, sir. Thank you. So please check here. When it is a enter paraview, it is a give the comment like this.
All right. So even yesterday it was not working, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. So you'll have to install another version. You have
Yes, sir.
installed.
It is the open form 8, sir.
Uh,
20.04 and version 2012.
it's open from I think version 12 2012.
Yes, sir. It is 2012.
Right. So you'll have to install open from version 8.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So in that document that we have shared, the installation document, just go through those commands on the first page, and you will be able to install the Ubuntu. Sorry, open from version 7.
So again, I uninstall it and I install the OpenFOAM 7.
Right.
So one thing questions. Is there is one command something for the OpenFOAM to version 8 cases for the paraform or paraview or not?
So what I understand from this is when you install version 2012,
Yes,
uh,
sir.
ParaView doesn't come as a prerequisite. So you'll have to separately install ParaView. Now, because of that ParaView, all other commands will work, but you will not able to see the uh, you will not able to visualize in ParaView. That's the only
Sir,
difference.
yes, sir. But when I enter the command cases, means where I install, there is the indicate the paraview and a paraform. There is some command. I want to show you now. I think what is the error or it's the paraform, sir.
Right.
Set the being paraform. It is indicates some things. This the paraform.
Right. So those are just the script file,
Yes, sir.
but still ParaView I think is not installed in your system.
So
One thing you can do, just open that what's that? That WSL window.
Windows, sir.
Yeah, that Ubuntu terminal.
Okay, sir. This the Ubuntu terminal.
Right. Now type the command sudo.
Sir, can I means disgrace or same cases I can write sudo.
Sorry, I lost you. Yeah, you're saying something.
Sir, I remove the open form Amrit run channel or now I
Yeah,
can write
that's okay. You can just type cd first. Just type cd and enter.
CD.
Then hit enter. Now type sudo
Yes, sir.
space
Yes.
apt
apt
hyphen
hyphen
get
get
space
space
install
install
space
space
paraview.
paraview.
Paraview, yes. V is small.
Please enter.
Yeah. All right. I think you'll have to install through that those commands only. It's not locating that paraview. So yeah, go through that installation sheet and it will work.
This it, sir.
No, with the guideline mail, in the guideline mail that we had sent you, I think 2 days back, 2 or 3 days back.
This is the guideline.
Right. So there is the installation, how to install
Yes, sir.
OpenFOAM.
Manual.
Right. So you can download this manual.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, right. So here on this page, all the commands are available from step 1 to step 7 or something.
So, sir, I now it is needed to uninstall the Ubuntu 20.04.
Just let it be. You don't need to uninstall the previous version. Just go with this one. Just follow the commands, follow all the steps 1, 2, 3, 4, and you will be able to install OpenFOAM 7.
OpenFOAM 7.
Yeah.
Is it necessary the virtual box or
Sorry.
is it necessary to again virtual box or not?
No, if you are comfortable with this WSL, you can go with it.
Okay, sir.
Just go through this command.
Okay, sir. I'll try it. Otherwise, I'll contact you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So for those of you who still have trouble installing, we had a whole installation session, help session yesterday, but there may be some issues that you may still face. We would request you to go through our guide that we have shared with you in your guidelines email. Read through all the FAQs. As mentioned before, more often than not, we do have questions which people have other issues that others have already faced. So, there may be a solution in the document already existing. If you still find issues, then my suggestion would be to follow through with what the tutorials are. Just go through the tutorials, even if you're not able to do it. In any case, spoken tutorial encourages you to first watch the video once without following through. So your first step should be just to simply watch the video, and then you practice it along with it side by side. So in case you haven't been able to install it properly, just please watch the video, and that way you can also participate in the discussions and the physics based information or analysis that you can do, and ask questions to Professor Janani. So I would encourage you to have your questions resolved by the faculty member from IIT Bombay while you are here. And later on, you can always write to us at contact-cft@fossey.in. I'll post that. We'll guide you through with the installation at any point. You can still continue to watch these spoken tutorials and post questions on the forums. I have just posted the email address. Again, so for those of you who haven't been able to install OpenFOAM successfully yet and are still facing issues, in today's session, you can watch these videos while others would be doing it. You should still be able to see how it is being done in OpenFOAM. And you can get any of your questions, the physics-based questions answered, if not the spoken tutorial-based questions. And for spoken tutorial-based questions, please post the questions on forums. Someone will definitely write back an answer to that. Thank you all.